Friends, welcome back. So in this video I will be discussing about cross-platform mobile testing. Especially I will be talking about 10 key points that you should keep in mind while performing cross-platform mobile testing. Especially this is a very important topic where normally mobile testing will be done across various different platforms. So let's go by one. The first thing is, whenever we are trying to test in mobile testing across multiple platforms, you should always keep in mind we should check for the specific guidelines, because each platform will have a specific guidelines. Because Android follows a material design and iOS follow human interface guidelines, and again UI UX behavior will be different for both the cases. Hence, you should always keep in mind, you should refer the specific guidelines whenever we are doing testing for this mobile testing for different platforms. And the next one is, you should always keep in mind, you should test real devices as well, not just focusing on emulator. You should also focus on real devices, because real devices will give real problems for us in the real world situation with the different network conditions like instability, or even with the hardware glitches because of various other reasons. It is always good to cover some portion of the test cases on the real devices as well. And you should also keep in mind different screen sizes and resolution, because mobile devices is made up of various sizes. Hence, all our test apps, whatever we are trying to test, we should test across small devices, medium devices, as well as large devices across different aspects ratio, screen sizes and resolutions. That would help us to find more issues well in the beginning itself. And we should always check for different OS compatibility whenever we are trying to test our mobile apps with the various OS configurations. That would help us to certify whether our application really works with the respective OS or not. And you should also keep in mind we should perform the performance testing as well, and various different conditions, especially with the low battery. So how is the performance of the application, or when the poor network, how the application will behave, or even whenever we are trying to do a different background activity, how this application is going to behave, or even whenever we have call interrupts, how is the application is behaving that time. That also you should keep in mind. And you should always keep in mind in terms of attention to permissions and privacy settings. This is very crucial, because in mobile apps, for every app we will be setting different permissions and privacy settings for various operations. We should keep in mind that which one would like to deny or revoke permissions, and based on that we should test the application just to see to that it is doing as per the job. And validating the push notification and deep linking also is very crucial to test, because after enabling or validating the push notifications, whether really mobile app really works or not, also you should keep in mind. And handle hardware features smartly, like if you have a mobile with GPS, camera, fingerprints, face unlock. So these things will completely behave differently across different devices and OS. Now each time we should test these apps with the different combinations, just to see our mobile apps really works with the different conditions. And we should also manage our platform, especially defects. For iOS defects we should manage separately, or Android defects we have to manage it separately, and we have to fix it also differently. Otherwise, if one fixes an Android, if same features goes to iOS, we'll have to see is there any side impact, is there also we have to cross check. That is very key. And even if there is a need to fix also, you have to keep in mind certain places it may work for Android, but it's only fails in iOS. Now Android doesn't require any fix at that time, only you have to fix for iOS. So those things also you have to keep in mind while we are doing cross platform testing, and we should keep in mind automation as well, because if we start our automation well in the beginning, we can cover more cases, we can save time, as well as we can scale our testing very easily. There are various tools available like APM, Detox, Browser Stack. You can use any of these tools.